Before this video ends, you will realize one of two things. Either artificial intelligence can make you money, or artificial intelligence is already making money instead of you. And most people don't know which side they're on. This is not about the future. This is not about predictions. This is about what is already happening quietly, efficiently, and without asking permission. Stay with me. Because once you understand how money really moves in the age of AI, you won't look at your job the same way again. Let me ask you something. Answer honestly. If AI can do 60% of your job tomorrow, what exactly is your salary for? Is it your skill, or is it your habit? Most people are not paid for talent. They are paid for routine, and routine is automation's favorite target. Take a moment. Think about how much of your work is repetitive, predictable, template-based. Because comfort is expensive, and comfort is usually the first thing machines remove. AI didn't arrive with chaos. It arrived silently. One chatbot replacing customer support. One algorithm writing advertisements. One system deciding who gets hired. No headlines, no warnings. Just fewer humans needed, and more profit flowing upward. For most of history, money followed effort. You worked longer, you earned more, you improved, you advanced. Factories needed workers. Offices needed employees. Businesses needed people. Even early computers needed humans. Technology assisted labor. It didn't replace judgment. AI changed that. Because now, the decision itself is automated. And when decisions are automated, power concentrates. Here's the part no one likes to say. AI does not make everyone rich. It concentrates wealth. To platform owners, to data holders, to infrastructure controllers, to those who control distribution. If you own the machine, money works for you. If you don't, you are part of the input. Your clicks, your prompts, your usage. Most people are not competitors. They are training data. If you think you're safe, every industry thought that too, until it wasn't. Skill without ownership becomes replaceable labor. The new currency is not effort. It is ownership, leverage, automation, distribution. One decision, 10,000 executions. That isn't luck. That's leverage. While AI creates wealth at the top, it quietly deletes income at the bottom. Freelancers replaced, junior roles erased, entry-level jobs removed. The ladder still exists, but the bottom rungs are gone. And without the bottom, most people never climb. Wealth rises faster, mobility slows down. This is how inequality hardens. Most people believe they are safe. They say, "My job is creative. My role is human. My work can't be automated." Every disrupted industry believed that. The real danger isn't AI. It's passive participation, scrolling, using, consuming, while value quietly moves upward. AI doesn't steal. It reallocates. Be honest. Are you using AI, or is AI using you? Comment just one word. User or owner. No explanations. Just the truth. AI isn't taking money from the world. It's redirecting it. And the future won't belong to those who work the hardest, but to those who decide where the machine works and who it works for. This isn't fear. This is awareness. AI-powered studio.